In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by locating and opening Clock app that's already on your device. Then choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner, and to create a new one, use this plus on the right. Now you can adjust your new alarm however you wish to. At the top, set up an hour. Then hit repeat to pick days of the week, and OK to save them. Now select sound. Hit My Music at the top if you wish to apply any song from your device. Just click on it and go back. Or select one of those melodies by clicking on a perfect one for you. Hit Label to name your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and OK to save its name. Now tap on ring duration here and apply one of those options. This way your alarm will turn off if you don't react after this amount of time. Finally, choose snooze duration and decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat by operating those sliders. To save your changes, tap on OK, and to save your new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created and adjusted. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options in the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, make your changes, and to discard them, use this X at the top left corner. To save them, tap on the check mark again. To get rid of your alarm though, you can click on it again, and this time choose the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!